National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waco, Oregon, 8 miles south of Buchanan, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Buchanan, Villarica, Bremen, Temple, Tallapoosa, Mount Zion, Waco, Byers Crossroads, Bowdoin Junction, Seton Lake, Abilene, John Tanner State Park, and Treasure Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.